Hey there, it's Sophia Delberis and this is a sugar peony. What's more, it doesn't crumble and can be stored for many years. Today I'm going to show you the most convenient way to store sugar flowers. It's toilet paper. I wrap the paper around my hand and make a paper nest. The paper prevents the petals from falling off in case of fluctuations in humidity during the storage of sugar flowers. Then I take a transparent container 12 centimeters tall and transfer the flower inside. I make soft balls out of the paper and place them under the leaves and petals. The container will protect my sugar flowers from dust and damage. And to prevent the colors from fading in the sun, store the sugar flowers away from direct sunlight. Please write in the comments what you think of this method. Thanks for your attention. Visit my channel, where are many other video tutorials on sugar flowers.